Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So we have a local neon builder here in town. He's a one-man show, but he's been in the business for many years. And we asked him to make this neon swimming pool motel trade sign for us. That's what this is. In the 50s and 60s, when you pulled into town on old Route 66, you went by a motel, you would see one of these on the side of the building, which signified they had a swimming pool. Back in the 50s and 60s, if you had a swimming pool in your motel, it was a really big deal for the kids. Dad, let's go to that one. So that's what this is. This is a trade sign. It's brand spanking new. The beauty of it is, being new, is this thing is silent. You could actually put it in your living room. It makes no hum, no noise at all, and it's gonna last for many years. So the other nice thing about it is it's actually 5'11" wide. So they have anatomically made this a nice, tall, lean girl. So it's a nice, big, wide 5'11" from fingers to toes. I'm gonna plug it in for you right now. This thing is super cute. Isn't that pretty? This is a super nice little sign. As you see, it's in the appropriate depth can so that you can put the transformer, etc. in it. Brand new, super cool, swimming pool, motel, vintage style trade sign. Cool. I'm actually gonna enjoy this here in the store while it's here. And as well, folks, is this will need to be stick crated. So we'll take this next door to Orange County Crating, have them build a nice crate for it. It's called stick crating because we put sticks in front of it so that the delivery people can see it's neon, and please be careful with it. Anyway, super nice sign. It's gonna look great wherever you put it. Hey, if you got a swimming pool outside, how nice would this be out on your back of your house, signifying your swimming pool? Just a cute
Retail store.
bathing suit retail store. Be great in a bathing suit store as a trade sign in the window. A lot of applications for this little sign, just fabulous, great colors, got her face and everything. Anyway, if you're looking for a really cool neon sign, this could be for you. And as always, we appreciate all you people out there watching our videos and chiming in. We get a tremendous amount of response out there, and we always enjoy it. So have a nice day.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.